Ha? Sa lapo-lapo gyapon. Yes, sumpay ra gud. Guwapa ka sa Omega o ano yung paingon, Mads?
We're going to the City of Smiles. I didn't know. From the land of the Golden River.
So, nagawa sa sila o.
Meaning, ayun na.
So, there is Cebu Pacific, Air Asia, and the Philippine Airlines. And here sa Lagimia International Airport, yung biyaheng pretitip, yung plakakak, yung dinarito mga Air Asia, Cebu Pacific, Air Asia, laban din ka. So, nandun lang nila. So, yan, napupisan right air. Magbuyod ko pa yung ginagawa. Saan pagbuyod, anak? Okay.
Tuklod, goro, di goro, goyod.
Okay, and it is say goodbye, thank you. So, asa di ka paingon na morag?
Mag-guest ko sa SCC.
Excited ko sa guesting. The future is in the skies. Ka-up.
Ako'y talent on niya ba?
Oh, Cobs. So, wala gito siya. Kanta, uy. May magpugong gid nimo. Standing ovation juga. Yes. Di pwede raman.
Hi, Ana Rose.
So ayun, hello, Daguindingan International Airport. So nag-wait na, naka-boarding na, waiting naman sa flight going to Cebu. So 3 o'clock in the afternoon, sumabot siguro mga around 4, so before 4. And thank you so much, nakaabot yun sila. Kaya kung sa kabot biya, anhilak sa tago. So dalay ko nagyapo ng show. See you Cebu in the bit later. Pretty Tip 2025.
Right, Philip sponsors and influencer from Williamson and Cagayan de Oro City. So see you there.
So ayun, nandito kami sa airport kasi sakay kami ng everyone can fly with Cebu Pacific bound to Cebu International Airport. So muna akong makaganahin kita kay mong feel ako sakay kong Edrohisan.
Yes.
So muna take to see you Cebu. Because
hard objects,
video
focus, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bins. In line with this, please stay cautious in securing your carry-on luggage and to prevent items from falling off. Pinakikiusapan ko lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga daladalahan.
Together with me, the flight kiss captain Jesse James Piazza. We would like to welcome you on board at this flight 5J210. This is Cebu Pacific Service 320 service bound for Bactan, Cebu. Our flight time is approximately about 30 minutes and today we'll be cruising around 40,000 feet. The weather route is reported to be fair and Cebu's weather updates will be reported for airport descent. Your safety and comfort is always a priority. So we request all guests to pay attention to any announcement from the flight deck and the cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance is highly appreciated. And please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or have any clarification regarding these very important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing to fly Cebu Pacific. Welcome.
With my team, we have Lai, Iza, and Prey. We welcome you on board Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Mactan, Cebu. In command of this aircraft is Captain Bihasa, ably assisted by First Officer Formaran Jr. Our flying time is approximately 30 minutes.
ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, flight information, time now for convenience is now.
Here.
Hello Cebu. Kararating na po natin sa paliparan
Pag-ibigan.
Mactan Cebu International Airport.
It's senor. Oh, it's senor. It's senor.
Sige na, go. Hello, welcome to the Mactan Cebu International Airport, Queen City of the South Cebu.
Suspect.
So, layo gid siya mo ipunan to bara ni siya. Oo. So, nalagid niyo sa bara upol. Ano mo Cebu?
Bayot.
No, nani mag Cebu. It's because of the pretty teeth. Welcome na to guys.
Sabay na mo part-time, we need to explore the world.
Asa ko lang
The universe rather.
ang tagi. Salamat kami.
Stop na may ka.
Thank you, stop na ma'am. Nagigan kay Jakita. Bagi malaria lo. It's a North Star. It's a North Star. Thank you, bye. So diri kung nakay mga bagahe, maghuwat ka. May bagay bit-bit lang. Alright. Pwede mo dala. Mega nga cobs, oh.
Babali mo.
Yes, it's a pretty pizza Cebu. This is Mactan Cebu International. Naglibres lang halo-halo na picture na yung mga gigling mga artista. Thank you so much.
Yes. Wala may picture